keep my light no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it breathe, breathe, breathe. You don't make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, 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 breathe.
Hey y'all, it's Ilahaya B and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get y'all nails done while y'all quarantined, okay honey? Yes. So right here I'm just showing y'all everything I'm going to be using to do my nails. Kiss nail glue, a nail file, a nail clipper, gel top coat and cuticle oil, and a LED lamp. These press-on nails are from Goldfinger. They were so cute, honey. I had to grab them. They were only $5.99. Y'all cannot beat that, okay? Now I'm just sizing the nails, looking for the ones that perfectly fit my nail bed. Excuse the lighting in this part of the video, y'all. I just had to turn on my ring light. Okay, so now that I sized all my fingers, now I'm gonna get into the nail prep. Okay, so my step one is I always use a cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles and to get all the, dead skin off the nail plate. Now that that's done, I use the nail file to go and rough up the surface of my nails, take off all the shine. When I'm all done taking off the shine, then I go into cutting my cuticles. And I'm only using a nail clipper because I couldn't find my cuticle nippers anywhere. Like, girl, I was about to be upset. Then after, I just dust off my hands with a fan brush. So the glue I'm using is Kiss Maximum Speed. It's the best glue ever, y'all. Now for the fun part, ladies, we're applying the tips. So I have this technique where when I'm applying tips, right, I usually put the nail in the cuticle first and then lay it down slowly. As y'all can see, this is like the best method to do so you won't get any air bubbles under your nails, honey, because we don't need that. Yes, I was too hyped because it was too cute. So now I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back in the end. Okay, yes, ladies. So this is the final reveal of how my DIY quarantine nails came out. They are so cute, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. My name is Ilahaya B. Follow me on all my social media and see y'all guys next time.